Good morning, my dear. It is time to wake up.
Good morning, Mom. I feel sleepy. Can I sleep 5 more minutes?
Of course, sweetie, 5 more minutes.
Sweetheart, hurry up. You will be late for school. You need to do your stretching exercise after this.
Let's stretch our arms up high. Now, stretch those legs out straight.
Oh, that feels good. I am stretching.
Now you need to go and make your bed, dear.
Yes, Mom. I am making it.
You look fresh now. Breakfast is ready.
What are we eating today? We are having eggs, toast, and milk. I like eggs. They give me energy.
Yes, energy means power to do work and study well.
Mom, why is breakfast important?
It gives you energy for the day and helps you grow strong.
I understand. I will eat everything.
Eat slowly and chew well.
Okay, Mom. I am chewing slowly.
Now go and get ready for school. I see you wore your uniform now. Is your school bag ready?
Yes, Mom. I packed my books last night.
Why are you looking so worried, dear?
Mom, I feel nervous today. We have a math test today.
Do not worry. You studied well. Just do your best.
Bye, Mom.
Have a good day, sweetie.
I will.
Welcome home. How was your school day?
It was good, Mom. Some parts were easy and some were hard.
Okay, have your snacks and tell me everything.
The math test was okay. I answered most questions. In English class, the teacher told us to read a story aloud.
I am proud of you. Did you play with your friends?
Yes. We played in the playground.
Wash your hands and change your clothes. Then we will do homework.
Okay, Mom.
Let us start with math homework.
Okay, Mom. Some questions are difficult, but you will help me do them.
Try first. I will surely help you if you find them difficult.
Thank you, Mom. You always help me.
Helping each other is important in a family. Dinner is ready. Let's have dinner now. We are having rice, vegetables, and soup for dinner.
I like soup. It makes me feel warm.
Eat calmly.
Mom, today my teacher praised me.
That's wonderful, sweetheart.
Are you improving?
She said I am improving. That makes me feel confident.
I am happy you are confident.
It is bedtime now.
Can you read me a story?
Of course. Stories help you relax.
Mom, thank you for listening to me today.
I will always listen to you. Talking helps us understand each other.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, my dear. Sleep well and dream happy dreams. The mother and daughter sleep together in a cozy bed, wrapped in soft blankets. The room is quiet and warm, filled with a gentle light from the bedside lamp. Their faces are calm and peaceful, showing comfort and love. After a long day, they rest deeply, feeling safe and close to each other. As they sleep, their bodies relax and their minds grow calm, ready to begin a fresh new day tomorrow with energy and hope.
Keep practicing English listening, spoken English, and daily English conversation and learn English slowly.